Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about 5 Indian smoothies which will be ready in 5 minutes. It will be super healthy, super nutrient and make you taste so good that you will gonna love it and kids will love them too. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to know about all 5 colorful tasty smoothies. Without having further delay, let's get started. Smoothies, we need liquid base to grind it well, and mostly I use 3 things as my liquid base, and these are easily available in each home. And these are coconut water, milk or almond milk, and plain water. First one is tropical mango smoothies. Since this is a mango season, so I make this yummy smoothie very often. It will be boring sometime to have same mango shake all the time. Try this tropical smoothie and I'm sure you will gonna love it. It has goodness of strawberry. Have kept some strawberry in the freezer which will add a great texture to the smoothie. Carrot and mango. Once the smoothie is ready, you will not be able to know that it has carrot in it, and I love the natural sweetness carrots adds up to this. And if your kids doesn't eat fruit and veggies, this is the best way to provide nutrition to them. Take all of them in a blender jar, add milk to it and blend them well, and your smoothie is ready to be served. If you are following me in my Instagram and YouTube, by now you may know I make lot of smoothies and I love them too. This is healthy, super rich in nutrition and takes no time. I have added mango pulp to garnish it. Look at the color of this smoothie. It looks so good. Banana and date smoothie. This is a very simple, classic banana and date smoothie. I have also added half apple and some sunflower seed to it, which will add vitamin E, and they are great for detoxification and rich in antioxidants and also adds up to weight loss too. So I love to add some seeds here. Take all the ingredients into the blender jar and add a cup of milk to it and grind them well. And this classic smoothie is ready to be served. I have added some dates on top for the garnishing here. With all the goodness of fruits, this smoothie makes itself a healthy and nutritional meal or drink. Pomegranate and mixed berry smoothies. Pomegranate are rich in vitamin C and loaded with beneficial nutrients, and berries are loaded with antioxidants and rich in fiber. Together, this will give you a super healthy food in no time. Adding this to chia seed will make this drink a wholesome meal. It will provide energy to you and keep you full a little longer. I have also made a video in chia seed drink. Make sure to check them out. Link is in the above. Here I am also adding half a bowl of curd to it to give a smooth texture. And also it will help to build immunity. With that, I have added half a cup of water to blend them well, and also a spoon of maple syrup. You can also use honey too to add little extra sweetness, as berries might add a little bit tangy taste to it. And blend all these in blender jar and your healthy super yummy tasty smoothie is ready to be served. I have added some blueberries on top for garnishing. Look at the color of this. It looks so attractive. So the next one is green smoothie. Don't go by the color of this. This is one of the best and healthiest smoothie. If you are thinking it will not taste good, let me tell you, this is the best yummy smoothie you will get from this, with all the vitamins and nutritions. Make sure to try this out. So for this, I have taken 1 banana, 1 kiwi, 8 to 10 grapes, half apple, handful of kale You can add spinach or cucumber also to this. I was having kale, so I have added that here. Kale are rich in fiber, calcium and full of vitamin C and helps the body to remove unwanted toxins. So in a blender jar, add up all the ingredients to this, and I am adding coconut water here to grind them well, and it will also give a good taste to it. And this green smoothie is ready. Let me tell you, you will gonna love the taste, and for kids this is the best drink ever. Chocolate smoothies. Who doesn't love chocolate taste? My husband loves this smoothie a lot as it gives a great chocolate flavor. For this I have taken banana, 8 to 10 almond which I soaked them earlier, and some cocoa powder. Cocoa powder are rich in magnesium and essential for energy metabolism and also good for healthy psychological functions. It is a natural compound known to reduce anxiety and lift our moods. So in a blender jar, take the banana, almond and 1.5 teaspoon of cocoa powder and add a cup of milk to it. I have also added some vanilla essence here which will boost the taste more, and finally blend them well. And the yummiest smoothie is ready. This is super healthy and nutritional and super yummy, ready to be served in no time. I have added almond on top for the garnishing. You can have this as your breakfast or evening snacks as well. Look at the colors of all the smoothies. Kids gonna love them and it will be very good for health. And the main thing is it takes no time and makes a complete healthy and filling meal. Make sure to try it out. I have added all the ingredients which are easily available in India and super healthy. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video useful, please give a thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such videos. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.